Hey guys, Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. Today, we've got a fun first cook video for you. Now, our last video, we showed you how to do the seasoning process on the Blackstone and get it all ready to go. And today for our first cook, we're doing cereal crusted French toast, which is going to be exceptional. Now, I went with something easy, right? Because, you know, when I get these cooking tools started for the first time, I like to learn their ins and outs and find the hot spots and cold spots, and French toast is going to have little impact to my wallet. So let's dig in, let's get cooking and show you how to rock your first cook on the Blackstone. Ingredient-wise today, very, very easy. We're gonna start off with 6 large or extra large eggs, depending on what you want. We've got some of that dark brown sugar that's gonna help us really give a robust flavor. We've got some heavy cream today, really adding almost a custardy finish to this French toast. Then we've got vanilla paste. You can also use vanilla extract, some cinnamon to really punch that flavor up, make it solid, and then look at this right here. We took our favorite crunchy cereal, ground those guys up, and made a good little crust for it. We are going to saute it in a little bit of butter on the Blackstone, and right here, this is it. We did some brioche or Texas toast, nice and thick, depending on what you want to use. Brioche or Texas toast works fantastic. Just make sure it's thick cut. And then at the end, right here, we're going pro level with some real maple syrup as well. So let's dig in, get the prep done. We'll let that soak for a little bit while it has a chance for the griddle to heat up. Okay, time to make our French toast custard, so to speak, right? I've added the large eggs to the bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and add the brown sugar. We'll go ahead and add that vanilla paste as well. Get that all scraped out. And like I said, if you don't have vanilla paste, vanilla extract works fantastic. We'll get all that goodness off there. We're gonna go ahead and add that heavy cream, 2 cups of heavy cream. And then the best part here, you guys, totally add as much or as little cinnamon as you like. This calls for a teaspoon, but if you want to add more, definitely add more. So we'll go ahead and whisk this until it is fully incorporated. We'll break all those yolks and everything. Get this fully whisked. Make sure we've got everything set. And then it is time to dunk the bread, coat the bread, and then we're going to let it sit while the griddle heats up. All right, so now that that French toast custard is done, what we're going to do is basically push this bread in there, let it soak for about 15 seconds or so, just to give it a chance to get nice and incorporated. We'll go ahead and get our crumbs all set too. And then what we're gonna do, pull it up, let a little bit of it drain. We're going right into the cereal and we are going to crust it up nice. I'm gonna go ahead and push down on it just a little bit as well. Make sure we get a good coating. Oh, look at that right there. That is perfect. Now, we're gonna go ahead and go onto a cookie sheet or a sheet pan. Let those guys sit for just a little bit. We want that crust to form nicely and stick, but we'll go ahead and do this now with the rest of them. Get everything set, dialed in, and ready to go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and turn these guys on. Make sure we get all the burners going. There we go, everything's ignited. Now we're gonna turn it basically to medium-high heat like we have there, and we'll go ahead. Now we'll give this about 10 minutes with the cover down to let this heat up and get ready for a little French toast. All right, so we went ahead and added a half a stick of butter. You can see we kind of pushed it around and moved it around with that spatula, and now we're adding our French toast pieces to it as well. And we're gonna cook these guys now 2 to 3 minutes aside, you guys, until we get a beautiful golden brown. Now, check it out, it's breakfast. We thought we'd also add some sausages, right? We are multitasking. Now, heat, we are on that medium-high heat, which is gonna be fantastic, but if it's too hot, turn it down. If it's too cold, turn it up. Feel free to adjust it, because right, it's our first cook. We're getting to know this grill. We'll go ahead and get them flipped, and we're gonna cook these guys now until, I don't know if I like that little crispy doneness, or I like a little bit golden, but anyways, we'll get them all cooked till they are done, crispy and ready to go. All right, let's check our doneness here. Look at that, second side looks good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take them over here onto my cookie sheet, and then we'll go through here, check the rest of them, get the sausage off. But next up, we will see you at the table. Whew, man, it smells like breakfast in here, and breakfast smells like success. Our first cook on the Blackstone was absolutely fantastic. Now, if you're new to the Ace Hardware YouTube channel, don't forget, subscribe, click on those post notifications. You do not want to miss out on some amazing content like this. And like we always say, be sure to leave your questions and comments below, because we want to make sure we're helping you drool and create amazing food for your friends and family as well. So let us know what you need from us, and definitely ask your questions away, because we love interacting with you as well. Now, at the end of today's video, we've got the how to season the Blackstone video coming up for you. And I'll tell you, Very, very easy, but a very important step because you want to make sure that polymerization really works out perfect because here we created a masterpiece and we don't have anything stuck to the griddle. Now we just get to wipe it down, clean it up, and we are set to go. I'm Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. It is time. Yeah, I got to take it for the team. I am doing crispy cereal coated French toast quality control. Now, we've got this all plated up here. You can drizzle a little bit of syrup on there. We melted some butter. We've got sausage. We are definitely ready to go. But listen, before my guests show up, I'm telling you, I'm doing the quality control. That right there is epic. I've been waiting for this all day. Cheers. Oh, man. I left a little chunk in there. Oh, well. Cheers.